Jumping rope is one of those exercises you probably got really into as a child, and then promptly forgot about when you got older. Jump rope is a full-body workout that helps you to lose weight, burn calories, and lose fats faster than any other workout. A good jump rope routine for weight loss burns more calories per hour as compared to any other type of cardio. In this video, we're going to discuss what does 10 minutes of jump rope do for your health. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 10 minutes of jumping rope can roughly be considered the equivalent of running an 8-minute mile, and you don't even have to leave your front yard. The amount of calories you'll burn jumping rope really depends on intensity. Jump rope can burn 720 calories per hour, which is the same as running at a 6-mile pace. In skipping rope, you can burn more than 720 calories, but by increasing its intensity, and you can burn up to 1,000 calories per hour. And the beautiful thing about a jump rope is that you have full control of the intensity level. HIIT, high-intensity interval training workouts, are known for burning fat more quickly than low-intensity cardio, so a tool that allows you to quickly switch between a steady jump and a maximum effort sprint is key to maintaining those intervals. According to a study, John A. Baker at Arizona State University divided 92 male students into two groups. One group skipped rope for 10 minutes per day, and the other group did jogging for 30 minutes per day. After 6 weeks, both groups were administered the Harvard STEP test for measuring their cardiovascular fitness, and guess what? Both groups showed an equal level of improvement. Baker concluded that 10 minutes of jumping rope is as much efficient as 30 minutes of jogging for overall fitness. One of the most frustrating things about jumping rope can be the moment when, after a blissful few minutes of joyful skipping, the rope catches on your feet and stops you in your tracks, and causes quite the sting. Jumping rope gives you a lot of bang for your cardio buck. If you're jumping rope at any speed for 30 seconds, you're going to start to feel it. There's a lot of coordination between different muscle groups. Jumping rope can actually cut down on the overall amount of time you have to log for a workout to stay healthy. Skipping rope regularly helps improve bone density. Osteoporosis and weak bones are causes of low bone density. Moderate skipping is safe for people who are suffering from osteopenia. Dr. Daniel W. Berry, an assistant professor of medicine at the University of Colorado, who has studied the bones of the elderly and of athletes, says that the best exercise to improve bone density is simply jumping up and down. With the right diet, jump rope can pull your core tight and sculpt your trunk and ab muscles as a result. During skipping, lots of sweat secretes, which is great for your skin because it helps maintain skin hydration. It also helps in protecting skin from pollution, dust, and microbial growth. It results in making your skin brighter time by time, so jump rope for 10 minutes a day can make your skin beautiful and healthy. Most jump ropes are very cost-effective, ranging from $2 to $15, and they're so lightweight you can take them anywhere. Sometimes we can't get to the gym, so we work out with jump rope. You can jump rope anywhere that has a floor and a high enough ceiling. Take it to work, take it to school, warm up before your basketball game, or cool down after a bike ride. You could do push-ups at one station, squats at one station, calf raises at another station, and then end with a jump rope at another station. It doesn't have to be used by itself. You can mix it in with other things. Our knees take a lot in our day-to-day lives, and when we're exercising primarily using our legs, they see even more impact. If you're a runner, you'll know this better than most. With runner's knee, an irritation of the cartilage in your kneecap that causes pain, affecting up to 25% of male runners and 30% of female runners. Knee problems can be an all too common concern. Jumping rope, however, can be much easier on your knees. Exercises that flex the knee excessively or have sudden starts and stops and running cross-country or on uneven surfaces can all put a strain on the knee, whereas jumping rope could be better for knee health. Jogging shouldn't be problematic for knees with no history of problems. If you're noticing strain while running, it may be worth switching over to an activity like jumping rope. If you're already an active person, jumping rope can help strengthen the lower leg muscles that surround your joints and ligaments. Again, the benefits go back to the plyometric nature of jumping rope. Jumping rope trains your body by maintaining activity on the balls of your feet rather than falling back onto your heels. This repetitive motion provides you with the strength and muscle memory necessary to go through life injury-free. Jumping rope can also have the opposite effect if you don't do it correctly. If you've never picked up a rope before or are just beginning your fitness journey, start slow and check in with a pro if you need help. In a study, a group of Temple University researchers observed measurable gains in cardiovascular fitness in a group of adult men who practiced progressive rope jumps. In another small study, women who jumped rope for 5 minutes a day over a 4-week period were rewarded with lower pulse rates, higher oxygen consumption, and a 25% improvement in physical work capacity. Many athletes in basketball, tennis, football, and other sports often suffer foot and ankle injuries from running and then stopping quickly and turning. This is very common in both tennis and basketball. Jumping rope not only improves your foot coordination, but also increases your strength in the muscles surrounding your ankle joint and in your foot, decreasing the chance of injury to those areas. Jumping rope teaches players to stay on the balls of their feet as opposed to being flat-footed or on their heels. And since you're on your toes the entire time you jump rope, you'll find that staying quiet on your toes when playing tennis will become easier and second nature. One of the biggest improvements you could see could be to your mental health. Just 15 minutes a day of higher intensity exercise could help to reduce feelings of sadness and even help prevent depression. According to the Mental Health Foundation, there also exists a link between frequent physical exercise and a reduction in the risk of dementia. The foundation even cited jumping rope specifically as a great type of exercise. If you're thinking of taking up high-intensity exercise, your mind will certainly reap the benefits. Jump training was linked to faster running times for endurance runners. That's because when you're jumping, your foot hits the ground for shorter periods of time than while running. Less time spent on the ground is more time moving forward. It's this reduced contact time, along with the power it takes to push off from the ground, that helps increase speed in activities like running. In addition to building speed, it also increases power. With a quick motion of jumping, your muscles and tendons have to contract and recoil faster, which still providing an equal amount of force. When you jump rope, you're constantly gripping onto the handles and working your hands to guide the rope underneath your feet, and this means that your hand muscles are in a constant state of contraction throughout a workout, according to Livestrong. This results in your grip strength becoming stronger. Gripping the handles when jumping rope also creates tension in the forearms, strengthening them via Livestrong. That's because when you're jumping, your hands are already holding the handles for shorter periods of time than while just standing. Less time spent on the ground is more time moving forward. It's this reduced contact time along with the power it takes to push off from the ground that helps increase speed in activities like running. In addition to building speed, it also increases power. With the quick motion of jumping, your muscles and tendons have to contract and recoil faster, whether they're of the legs or the arms, while still providing an equal amount of force. These muscles contribute to your grip strength, so if you've ever felt the need to develop a stronger handshake, a daily jump rope regime could be the way to do it. It's important to have the right jump rope and shoes. To find the right rope length, stand on the middle of the rope and pull it taut. The ends should then reach your armpits. It's better to jump on a softer surface, such as a rubber mat, but a wood or concrete floor works just fine as long as your shoes are supportive. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys. Until then, stay happy and be careful.